how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. And as you see, I am preparing for my fish curry, and for that we need fresh garlic and fresh coriander, cilantro, dhania, जो भी आप कहते हैं. I will chop it. And over here, as you see, I'm cutting the salmon fish in cubes. You can use any fish you want. And over here I'm marinating the fish, and for marination use always fresh lemon juice, and then add salt and black pepper and marinate that fish for almost 20 to 25 minutes. And as you see, I have added salt and black pepper and lemon juice in the cubes of salmon fish. And there you go, these are the final ingredients for my fish curry. This is the tomato paste, which I grinded, coriander, which I chopped earlier, green chili, cut in julienne, and then garlic with some curry leaves. This is the fresh garlic I did earlier, and the marinated fish, which I have marinated for around 25 minutes, and I have the onion paste as well. Okay, so let's begin our cooking process. And as you see, I'm putting oil in both pans. In one pan I'm going to make a fish curry, and on the other pan I'm going to pan fry the fish. I'm not gonna overcook the fish, I'll just pan fry. And this is cumin seed. I'm going to add cumin seed in both pans, just 2 pinches, not that much. And I will use garlic and curry leaves. I will add curry leaves into the pan where I will cook the fish curry, and the garlic, half of the garlic I'll put in the pan where I'm going to pan fry the salmon fillet, which I cut in cubes earlier. So this one pan is for the fish curry and the other one is for the pan fry. The fish cubes I'm just putting over the garlic, and I'll keep it for until it turns golden. I will not overcook. So here I'm putting the onion paste, and I will cook well until all the water released. And as you see, I'm mixing that onion paste into oil and curry leaves, and my fish is cooking as well. And now I'm going to add spices into onion paste. Salt, red chili pepper, crushed pepper, that's turmeric. It's your choice, it's optional if you want to add turmeric, but I'm adding. This is dhania jeera powder, cumin seed and coriander powder, around 2 spoons, and this is Kashmiri mirch, which is paprika, and I'll mix it well. As you see, there's not that much oil, which is a very good thing, because you don't need a lot of oil in the fish curry, because I think this salmon fish releases a little bit oil too. So it's just paste, and my fish is cooking over here, and it's turning golden brown, which is great. I don't want it to burn, and I'm not to overcook because I have to add this fish into the curry. So I'm just flipping over. Do not use a lot of oil for this salmon fish, it doesn't need that much oil. Just pan fry. Okay, so now I'm adding fresh garlic and I will mix it well. Add the tomato paste. I have grind 4 tomatoes and made the paste. You can use canned tomato paste as well, but I would recommend the fresh tomato for making the paste. Mix this tomato paste. And now I'm adding green chili, and I will keep a little bit on the side for garnishing. And I'm adding cilantro, which is dhania, and I will mix it well. As you see here, the curry is almost ready and it's released water from tomato. And oil is separated well, so I will add fish. So now I'm putting fish, which I pan fried earlier. I'm just placing on the top. I'm not gonna mix it like, I'll just place on the top of the curry. I have added the green chili and dhania. I'm just garnish it over, and I'm adding the nutmeg powder, just 2 pinches, not that much. And I have added fenugreek, which is kasoori methi, and I will cover the lid and cook for another 5 minutes. And as you see, my fish curry is done, and I'll just cover it and keep it on low flame for another like 5 to 10 minutes, and I will cook my garlic rice. And for that I need oil in a pan, and I'll let it heat up. And for garlic rice, I have cut the half onion. So when oil heat up, add onion and cumin seed, which is zeera, 3 to 4 black pepper, and cook until onion turn partially golden. Add salt as per your taste and halepeno. Mix it well. And with halepeno, add fresh chopped garlic too, and then add water, around 2 whole glass. When the water about to boil, then add 1 cup of rice, and I've added, as I say earlier, 2 glasses of water and 1 cup of rice, and I will cook until the water is dry. And when water is dry, keep it on low flame for 5 minutes. There you go, fish curry with garlic rice is ready. So enjoy with your choice of salad. And you can eat fish curry with naan or chapati, or eat with the rice.